Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make rock candy in 5 minutes. First, you'll need to gather your simple ingredients: sugar, water, and a heat-safe pot. Next, we'll create a supersaturated sugar solution on the stovetop. This is crucial for crystal formation. Don't forget to add your favorite food coloring and flavorings for a personalized treat. It's a fun and quick process. Now let's prepare for crystal growth. Secure a string or a small stick in your solution, ensuring it hangs freely without touching the bottom or sides of your container. This provides a perfect surface for the crystals to form. Finally, place your container in a cool, undisturbed location. Patience is key for the best results, even with our quick method.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, just like making quick rock candy, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for ultimate comfort. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Here's the secret to making rock candy in 5 minutes. Rapid cooling. Immediately after preparing your solution, place the container into an ice bath. This sudden temperature drop forces the sugar molecules to crystallize quickly. You'll actually see tiny crystals starting to form on your string within just a few minutes. It's quite amazing. Once your crystals have grown to your liking, carefully remove the string or stick from the solution. Be gentle, as the crystals can be delicate. Place your rock candy on parchment paper or a wire rack to dry completely. This usually takes about an hour. Then, your delicious, homemade rock candy is ready to enjoy. It's a sweet reward for your quick efforts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.